You know, things aren't where they used to be. Yeah? Where they're supposed to be. Come on, get your coat.
No, we don't.
Come on, I'm taking you on a shopping spree.
Oh, no.
No arguing. I've got loads of time before my shift starts.
Oh, and I can talk here. That's suitable topics for discussion for you.
And when we get back, I'm going to do your hair and your makeup all night. And by the time we're finished with you, Dad will not know what's hit him. Yeah, come on.
Really?
I can't talk about school.
Oh. I was trying to make sure you're alright.
Yeah, I'm fine. Now we've got to go.
Whitney, you didn't need you, did he?
No, Tony would never hurt me.
Yeah, but the way he was treating you.
Tony would never hurt me. He went to prison to protect me. That's how much he cares. Last night was down to me. Just stop trying to make something out of nothing. Yeah, you did. This is sorted out.
Yeah.
Good. Because I've got a big business that needs taken care of.
It's a bit early for that.
That's tonight. Leave it.
Like something.
Go on, put on me.
I'll just see what it is. How'd you ever get on?
If at first you don't succeed, come in. Yeah. Right. Well, what about?
It's too late. Good morning. Yeah? I think I found someone to do the judo classes, and I found a location for the adventure weekend. Yes, that's what I thought about.